In this video, I want to test a neural network to see if it delivers results in trading, whether you can close profitable trades with it, and of course make money. So before we start, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts about this video. Let's get started. Let's go. So all we need is just a phone, trading, and of course a neural network. Let's open the trading app and take a look. Here's the chart we have today. Our balance today is $54,500, so that's what we'll start with. I'll be opening trades for $200 each, and each trade will be for 1 minute. So let's go to our neural network and give it a try. We select English as the language, go through all the introductions, start trading and get a signal. Immediately we press the button. Now we need to choose where we're working. We're working with OTC trades. It says OTC here, so we open OTC. Now we choose the pair we'll be working with. Just a reminder, our pair is called AUD-CHF OTC. We open that exact pair and select M1. M1 means 1 minute. We double check the data and click agree. We wait for the decision and the signal to go down. We're told to go down, so let's go to trading and open a position for a decrease. We open 2 positions of $200 each and are waiting for the price to go down. We have 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. We have a positive result, and as you can see, the chart closed in profit. Both of our trades ended up in the green. Take a look, the first one and of course the second one as well. And we earned $768. Overall, our first signal worked out perfectly. Now let's move on to the second signal. As you can see, we are being notified that we're in profit, so everything is great, and we move on. We click on new signal and then click get signal. We go for the next signal, again OTC, and the next recommendation is AUD-NZD, AUD-USD. Well, let's see what our next pair is. And next up, we have AUD-NZD, just as expected. Well, let's try AUD-NZD and see how things are going here. We select AUD-NZD, and for 1 minute, once again, click get signal, and let's see. They're telling us to go for an upward signal. Again, I open 2 positions upwards, each for $200. Guys, don't forget to leave a like for such a find, because it's not always possible to discover a neural network like this. By the way, I'll reveal the name of the neural network at the end of the video. And as you can see, one of our positions was successful. In other words, one didn't work out, but the other did, since we opened 2. So essentially, we have both a win and a loss. Let's see what the neural network tells us. According to the neural network, it's a loss, so we make another entry, get a new signal, click on OTC again, and select NZD OTC again for 1 minute, and wait for the signal once more. We wait for the decision, and once again, we're told to go up. And now, let's open 2 positions for an increase again, because one of ours didn't go through, so now we need to open 2 positions to cover the previous loss. We wait for 1 minute. Three, 2, 1. 1 second, and it's a win again. As you can see, that's it. Now we've definitely come out ahead. Another excellent entry. And as you can see, the neural network gave a clear positive result here. Guys, that's another win. And honestly, that deserves a like on the video. Well, let's do a third signal, one more final one, and make sure all the way to the end that this really works, because the wins are definitely happening. Our next position is cut, see shuffle. Here's cut, see shuffle. So let's try cut, see shuffle. Where do we have cut, see shuffle here? I don't see cut, see shuffle, but we can also choose other positions here. But which ones does it recommend to us? It recommends out, see shuffle. Take a look at out, see shuffle, out USD. Let's go with out USD. Out USD 1 minute. Let's look at our chart to see where we have a USD out. We should also have USD out here somewhere. Yes. Out USD found, friends. Our percentage is a little less than 86%, but that's okay. Overall, it's okay. Let's try. 1 minute out USD, and let's look at this decision. It indicates an upward movement, so we open a position up, and accordingly, we'll watch how it rises. We wait. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, the trade was successful, and it's another win, plus $372. Friends, I think overall, this turned out to be an excellent video. We managed to close quite a few winning trades, and once again, another win. The name of the neural network is on the screen, friends. You can find it on Telegram if you want and basically use it. You see, sometimes it does make mistakes, of course, but even so, we managed to make a profit. The capital is 55,392. Thank you for watching this video. Friends, don't forget to leave a like. Write in the comments what you think about this. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, everyone.